Samarth is also joining us on the phone line with us. Samarth, the entire Gandhi family with the President of the Congress, Mallikarjun Kharge, are in attendance to support Rahul Gandhi, cheer for him, even as he files his nominations from Rai Bareli. Do tell us, did the people of Rai Bareli really expect Rahul Gandhi to be fielded from there, or were they awaiting Priyanka Gandhi instead?
Well, Navina, if you talk about Raebareli leadership, then one thing will be said that they were expecting Priyanka Gandhi from here. But also they had one thing in mind that anybody from the Gandhi family could be a viable candidate from Raebareli. So they got Rahul Gandhi. But for Amethi, it was a fact chapter. Though voters are not saying on record, but they have that belief. They wanted Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi to fight at least from here. So this is one thing which is in the mind of the Congress voters, and that's why such scenario is happening. But currently, Rahul Gandhi has filed nomination papers from the Raebareli, and we are here at the way towards that collectorate from where that the convoy of Rahul, where Priyanka and Sonia entered, and anytime soon Rahul and Priyanka are likely to come outside, and that's the bigger picture. Because Raebareli waited for somebody from the Gandhi family, and finally they got one from the family. It's Rahul Gandhi, though it's a decision from Amethi, but it's going to be worth seeing how the fight goes on for the BJP and the Congress from here, at least where UP Minister Dinesh Singh is fighting from Raebareli against Rahul Gandhi, while Rahul Gandhi is right here to take on the BJP. Back to you.
All right. Well, at this point for the Congress party, Rai Bareli is one of their very few seats out of the 17 that they are contesting in this elections in Uttar Pradesh, Lok Sabha elections. They are in an alliance with the SP. So Samajwadi Party and the Congress have decided that the Congress will take the share of 17 seats from the state. And among those 17, Samarth, Rai Bareli seems to be an important one where they are likely to win. So it's all the more crucial for them on who they field.
Well, exactly. Raebareli has been the very crucial seat for them. As you can see, the Congress workers roaming all around from this particular area, which takes you to the collectorate office with the heavy police security right here. So one thing is very clear, that Raebareli and obviously Amethi both were the priority for the Gandhi family, but the Gandhi family chose Raebareli over Amethi, and there are many concepts behind that. You can say that Gandhi family played safe. They went to the safe seat and did not want any Smriti Irani versus Rahul Gandhi contest, which could have been a 50-50 contest because Rahul Gandhi was defeated in the 2019 elections. So they wanted Rahul Gandhi to fight from the safe seat, but it's going to be worth seeing how things unfold from here, because they are also waiting. The Congress workers right here are waiting for them to come out after the nomination papers filing, and let's see what Rahul Gandhi has to say about Raebareli nomination. It's very interesting what Rahul Gandhi says about it and how he counters Prime Minister Narendra Modi's jibe of calling Rahul Gandhi a bhagora, what we say ran chhod in Hindi. He clearly said that Rahul Gandhi left Amethi because he knew he can never win. You can see the visuals out here. This is Jila Panchayat Raebareli. This is the collectorate office from where the Rahul, Priyanka, Sonia entered inside for the nomination, and we can expect in few moments later they could be coming out. Okay. Back to you.
You know, looking at it very closely, it was a choice that the Congress had to make between Rai Bareli and Amethi. Well, there was speculation that both the brother and sister will take the poll plunge from the heartland, Hindi heartland. Priyanka Gandhi from Rai Bareli was speculated initially, and Rahul Gandhi from Amethi. But it appears Priyanka Gandhi has strategically stayed away, saying that she wants to play the cards of a strategist. She wants to be campaigning for the party, helping boost the grassroots cadres in Uttar Pradesh, not wanting to fight elections this time, Lok Sabha 2024. And also seemingly wanting to stay away from the BJP attack on dynasty. If Priyanka Gandhi also jumps into the poll fray, it will be all Gandhi family members who exist right now in politics, electoral politics. So staying away from that narrative, she's decided, we believe, to not contest but only campaign. So a choice between Rai Bareli and Amethi that Rahul Gandhi had. Interestingly, he's picked Rai Bareli. Samarth, Rai Bareli, the Congress cadre there seems to be upbeat. While that said, on one hand, In Amethi, they're quite disappointed not to see a Gandhi fielded from there. Right, we're going to try and patch Samarth on that. But remember, this is a bastion of the Gandhi family that they've in fact held fort since the 50s, barring that one loss that they had when a non-Gandhi was fielded right after independence. It appears that Rai Bareli has really been a safe seat for the Gandhi family. It's really the safest, if you can say, from across the country. Rai Bareli is really one of the safest for the Gandhi family. As we see here, Indira Gandhi's husband and Feroz Gandhi, the seat elected Indira Gandhi at that point thrice. And then you had Sonia Gandhi taking over, Rajiv Gandhi also briefly. So literally every Gandhi family member has been fielded from this turf of Rai Bareli. And now this time it appears Sonia Gandhi has given way for her son, Rahul Gandhi. He's just filed his nomination from that office, collector's office. It was difficult for him to even reach that place, but he's managed right before the 3 p.m. deadline. Remember, he's now going to be facing off BJP's Dinesh Pratap Singh, who's the candidate. He's in fact a minister currently in the UP government, and he seems quite confident that whichever Gandhi family member is fielded from there, he's going to take them down. In fact, he says, I've already faced off Sonia Gandhi, the mother of the Gandhis. So Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi mean nothing. I'm surely going to defeat them. These are words of Dinesh Pratap Singh, the BJP candidate who's going to be facing off Rahul Gandhi now, clearly from Rai Bareli. In fact, the same Dinesh Pratap Singh also fought Sonia Gandhi in 2019. He managed to bring Sonia's victory margin down by half. So will that effect continue, that streak continue for Dinesh Pratap Singh even in 2024 against Rahul Gandhi is the question. Remember, Dinesh was also part of the Congress. He was a Congress Neta for as long as till 2018. Just a year before 2019, in fact, just a year before the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, he decided to jump ship, join the BJP, and was quickly fielded as the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate from Rai Bareli.